Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. We're going to do a little what's in the box video. You're looking at my dad's old toolbox, and a quick backstory here is it hasn't been opened in a few years because he moved down to Florida and he doesn't have a garage down there, so he didn't bring all of his stuff. He did bring the keys though while it was locked up here, so no one's been using it or had any use for it. Anyways, he brought the keys up and I think he was planning on bringing it home this time, except it wouldn't fit in his vehicle. So it's here at my house now, and I thought we'd go through it and see what's in there. I'm not real sure what I'm going to do with this thing because I fear there's two equally likely scenarios. Either he's going to come back up here in about a month and want his toolbox and have a better plan for how to get it down to Florida, or this thing's going to sit here for the next 10 years. And I think equally likely, both scenarios. So we'll see. I'll have to figure out something. But I know it's in the top drawer because I opened that one, and it's T&E Tools, by the way. So I know it's in the top one, but nothing else was opened. Should be unlocked? No. Learn how to use a toolbox. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Get that key in there all the way. Maybe. So you can see this drawer's starting to come open, but there we go. Maybe jammed up a little bit. There we go. Everything's off to the side. So you see, we got a bunch of screwdrivers. See some Craftsman in here. What's that? A Great Neck. Oh, that almost looks like a Harbor Freighter there. What's this? Crescent. This big ass breaker bar. I could actually use that son of a bitch. Look at that. 1/2-inch drive. Chrome vanadium? Vanadium? I don't know. Oh, that word is. I don't see anything else on that. Side cutters. More Craftsman. Alright, that's the top drawer. And a flashlight. Doesn't work. A little nut driver too. What's that? All trade nut driver. Doesn't sound very good. Alright, well, that's the top drawer. Still getting hung up back there. I don't know what's keeping that thing from shutting, but okay. Let's go to this drawer. Oh, now that one is empty. There ain't nothing in that. Little plastic guy. I don't know what that is. Like, almost looks like welding wire or solder or whatever. Alright. Oh. Uh-oh. Striking out. Maybe the top drawer was the only one that had something in it. Oh shit, guys. This ain't going well. This ain't how we planned it. Well, I guess he was right outside of the top drawer. Alright, moving on to the right side. You can't control what's in the box when you didn't open the box. Got some safety pins. Uh-oh. Here we go. 1974 Corvette. Let's check that out. He's got a 74 Corvette, so that makes sense. What's this? General Motors VIN system. Well, that's kind of interesting. Corvette Black Book. It tells you where to put jack stands. That's funny. Alright, so we got a little Corvette book. And we got some cream hardener. What is that, for Bondo or something maybe? Magic Lube. Twice the Teflon. Some Permatex. Jack's Formula 327 Multi-Lube. I don't know what that is. Brake lubricant. Uh-oh, tire repair kit. Or part of it. Oh, there's the rest of it. And some fuses. Alright. I got shit on my hands. Hey! We got a Corvette assembly instruction manual. And look, I might be able to use that. It's for 74, mine's 73, but they will be very, very similar. Sweet! You can use that while it's here. Oh shit, there's stuff in these ones. Okay. Got the paint gun. Let's see. What does that say? Eastwood? Eastwood. Little pipe tube cutter deal. And we got a meter. It's a Craftsman. Oh shit. Making a mess. Alright, whoa, Jesus. Cords are all wrapped up. Come on, one-handed. Alright. Blue point. That is snap-on, essentially. Probably better than my free with coupon Harbor Freight one. Got a little honing tool. I bet I could have used this the other day. That's too bad. I bought new calipers for this Corvette here because it was leaking at the seals. So I bet I could have honed out the dealie with that. The whatever, where the seal said the cylinder. Shit, I don't know what that is. Maybe something... Okay, I'm guessing, and people are going to call me an idiot because I don't know. I'm going to guess it's something with piston rings, but it might be too big. I know that's what this is. So that's why I'm guessing, because it's in the same drawer. Then we got a big-ass one. Alright, let's put all this stuff back in before I get it messed up. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man, we're out of the track. Oh, I'm going to have to do a little repair work on that one. Okay, let's see. We got a drop light with a positive and negative clamp on it. Why? You can't hook a drop light up to a car battery, can you? I've never tried. I don't know why there's a positive and negative clamp on this. I don't think I've ever seen a drop light like that. I know. Dumbass! What's wrong with you? Why don't you know that? I know. Okay. Got some hose. Gotta always keep the hose around. Got some bolt cutters. Let's see what brand are these guys. I can't read that. Looks like, does that say Porter there? No. No, I don't know. Another flashlight. No batteries in it, it's too light. Some more hose, we don't gotta pull that out. What is that, an oil filter wrench? It's called a grip wrench. So you pull through down there and there you go. It's even got a little pad so you don't smash your hand. Okay, a little dent puller. Things don't work for shit. I remember trying to use one of these on a Dodge Daytona I had. Just sitting there basically rocking the whole damn car back and forth. Never did pull out the goddamn dent. Suction cup worked pretty good though. Alright. What is this? Oh, cord organizer. Well, I might steal that. Little wrapper thing. Okay. And then we got a couple more hoses. So that's what's in the box, guys. The left side was pretty disappointing. I thought we were going to end up with nothing. Kind of worried me. But the right side came through for us. At least we found some stuff. Still think that's goofy as hell. And he does have the top chest. The top chest actually made it to Florida, so maybe that was all the important stuff. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Now you know what is in the box. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I do a lot more tool videos and project videos and stuff on this Corvette, hopefully. Thanks for watching.